wave equation. This is just for to give you the picture of the wave. एक काम करते हैं, हाँ, what we do is किसी एक पार्टिकल पे फोकस करो. Focus on only one particle. You choose the particle. Okay. Let's say I choose this particle. I call this as P. ठीक है. And I'll choose one more particle for you, and I'll call that guy as Q. यहाँ पे चलेगा? Right, sir. What happens after 1/4 of a time period? Where is your P? Sir, my P is here. Here a P. Where is your Q? Sir, my Q is here. Where was your P at t equal to 0? मतलब the initial t. So it was at its extreme position. ये ऊपर वाला value. Where is it now? Crossing the mean position. Where was your Q? Mean position. Where is it now? It's at its positive extreme position. Good. Take 1/4 of time period more. Where is your P? So that's the lower extreme position now. Good. Where is your Q? Crossing the mean again. Acha. You are saying P and Q are doing SHM. Yes, that's what I'm saying. And to add on to that, what happens after 2 more quarters? Watch. First of all, do you see how I'm achieving the quarters? I am shifting the graph. All I'm saying, my lord, check out the first and the last one. Have P and Q reached the same position and the same status again? Correct. So, just to prove you that the time period of the source is also the time period of every single particle's SHM. What? Yes. What I'm trying to say is that x equal to a sine omega t minus kx plus phi. What is A? I'll just write one more time, then I'll say all the things. What is A? A is amplitude of SHM of source. I know, sir. And every other particle on the string. Oh, so you tilted the definition. Yeah. What is omega? Angular frequency of the source and every other particle on the string. Time period T is, sir, time period of the source and every other particle on the string. Get it or not? Simple stuff? Simple stuff, sir. Good. अब आपको समझाते हैं. What do you mean by the phase part? Phase, what is phase? Sir, nothing. Whatever is inside the sign is called the instantaneous phase. In fact, total instantaneous phase, the whole thing. What is only phi? Only phi is initial phase. Initial phase, epoch. Okay. Now, phase means, watch this now. Ready? Ready, sir. Okay. Watch. Come on. I have marked 1 and 2. Watch what happens to circle at 1 and 2. Dup. And ye 3. Keep watching. Chalta rahega ye. Keep watching. I am saying your circle becomes full yellow when you go from 1 to 2 or not. Your circle goes from full yellow when you go from 1 to 2. It does. Check. Aram se check again. And what does full yellow means? Full yellow means the story has revolved around full circle. One full pulse of the wave has been emitted out. So what is the phase? A phase word mathematically is argument of the sine function. But what does the phase do? Phase means after every 2 pi value of the phase, the wave repeats itself. After every 2 pi value of the phase, the wave repeats itself. Duh, sine is a periodic function with a time period equal to 2 pi. Obviously, sir. Watch the slow motion. 1, 2, and 3. Do it again. एक बार और करें? चलो एक बार और करते हैं. Watch now. बहुत प्यार से see between 1 and 2 what happens. See, the moment the needle will touch 2, the circle will become full yellow. And it repeats itself again. A phase change of 2 n pi gives the points oscillating in phase. In phase. They are oscillating in phase. मतलब same behavior. I explained this word to you. They are all at the maxima together. ऐसे वाला, ये वाला. साथ में mean, साथ में minima, साथ में ये. So सर, out of phase क्या होता है? ये होता है. In phase ये होता है. Maxima, mean, minima, mean, maxima. Out of phase, maxima, minima, mean, tuck, tuck. ये out of phase है, ये in phase है. Got it, sir.